2D animated story videos are exploding right now on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And the crazy part is, you don't need animation skills. You don't need a full script. You don't need to write hundreds of prompts. You don't even need separate tools for images, videos, characters, or scene consistency. Because now, one simple story idea can turn into a complete animated story video in just a few clicks. In this video, I will show you a tool called Medeo that can generate full 2D animation story videos from a basic idea. You just write your story concept, choose the latest image and video model, adjust a few simple settings, and Medeo starts building the full animation for you. And the best part? If your character changes or doesn't match the story, you don't have to restart everything. You can simply ask the built-in chat agent, and it fixes the character consistency instantly. And even if you have no story idea at all, Medeo gives you pre-built templates in multiple categories that you can customize into your own version. To start using this tool, simply click on the Start Free button and sign up for an account using your Gmail. You will be directed to the tool's dashboard. Here, you can see pre-built recipes for trending football videos, videos for each major category, and even product ad templates. By clicking this animation button, we have a couple of animation styles that we can start using instantly. As a quick example, let's select this anime template. After clicking here in the chat, you can see that we have a sample image to use, or we can generate our own as well. But to showcase the tool's capability, I will go with the default images. Also, for the story, I will go with the default story location. Under the Model tab, we have the latest image and video models. For this example, I will go with the latest Cdance 2.0 model for consistent generations. For the aspect ratio, I will choose the landscape aspect ratio. By clicking this More button, we have a couple of other options to choose the video duration. But I will go with the default duration based on the story. The best thing about this tool is that you can also add stock videos, but I will keep it on auto. Next, we have the video styles library. Let's select this Korean comic style for this video. Simply click on this Generate button, and you will be directed to this chat-based interface. And here, we have a complete script for our 30-second story, with the whole concept, character description, scene-by-scene details, and a full storyboard. Next, we have the character images in 3 different views. And now, we have a 9-scene storyboard image to maintain visual consistency. The background music and sound effects are automatically added. And here, we have the 15 seconds clip based on our storyboard. This generation looks good, and the storyboard scenes are perfectly followed. Since the video length is 30 seconds, the agent is automatically generating the next half of the video. And here, we have the amazing opening scene video. The video looks amazing, and the character consistency is perfectly maintained throughout the video. The agent has automatically combined the videos and added them to the timeline. This part of the video looks a little odd, so I will ask the agent to remove it here in the chat. And now, the unwanted part is deleted, and the whole video is adjusted perfectly. Let's generate this trending animation story step by step. Paste this story idea. A village fears a giant monster living beneath a bridge. A curious boy discovers the creature is actually protecting them from something far more dangerous. I will ask the agent to first create a 16-scene storyboard image. Under the Model tab, I will choose Nano Banana 2 for images and Cdance 2.0 for videos. Select the landscape aspect ratio. Keep the video duration on auto. From the styles library, I will select this 2.5D animation style. By clicking this voice button, you have a couple of options to choose the language and model for narration, but I will keep it on auto. Simply click the Generate button, and you will be directed here. Now, we have the whole story script with visuals, character details, and a complete 16-scene story outline. Next, we have the storyboard images for all 16 scenes. You will notice that the character in this image does not look the same as our story character. I will add this image to the chat and ask it to replace this character with our main reference character for this scene. And now, we have the scene with our reference image, and the character is perfectly replaced. To maintain character consistency across all the scenes, I will ask it to fix the character in every scene. And here, we have the scene images. You can see that character consistency is perfectly maintained across all the scenes. Next, we will ask it to generate the videos. And here, we have the whole animation story of 2 minutes and 46 seconds, where all the clips are combined. Overall, the story looks amazing, with perfect scene transitions, camera movement, background music, and sound effects. You can make this story more engaging by adding narration text as well.
In the valley below the old hills, there lay a village that had lived in fear for as long as anyone could remember.
Once everything is ready, simply click on this export button to download your video. Apart from free generations with limited capabilities, you can check its premium plans with credit details. Also, you can buy credits as per your needs. So take advantage of this amazing tool to create stunning videos in just a few simple steps. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.